Hello everyone, this is Angeline Drupavati. This video is about reagent for oxidation reaction periodic acid. In this presentation, I am going to discuss about periodic acid preparation mechanism, reaction on alkene aromatic ring ketone carboxylic acid, properties and uses of periodic acid. Periodic acid. Periodic acid should be pronounced as periodic rather than periodic as in periodic table. It was discovered by Henry Gaste Magnus and C.F. Amarmuller in 1833. It is an oxidizing agent, that is, it oxidizes another substance and itself became reduced. For example, zinc plus copper 2 plus gives zinc 2 plus copper, where copper 2 plus is an oxidizing agent, oxidizes to give reducing product copper. Therefore, periodic acid is the highest oxoacid of iodine in which iodine exhibit +7 oxidation state. Like all periodate, it can exist in two forms, orthoperiodic acid, which has the chemical formula H5IO6, and metaperiodic acid, which has a chemical formula HiO4. Preparation of periodic acid. Periodic acid can be prepared by three methods. First, by treating an aqueous solution of perchloric acid with iodine. Second, orthoperiodic acid can be dehydrated to give metaperiodic acid by heating 100 degrees Celsius under reduced pressure. Third, metaperiodic acid can also be prepared from various orthoperiodates by treating with dilute nitric acid. Mechanism of periodic acid. Kinetic studies shows that these oxidation proceeds via a cyclic 5-membered intermediate that may be hydrator or dehydrator ion. Then the intermediate break down to form the 2-carbonyl compound. Reactions of periodic acid. First reaction is on alkene. In conjugation with potassium permanganate, periodate is used for the cleavage of alkene. The potassium permanganate hydroxylates the double bond to give 1,2 diol, which is cleaved by periodate. Second reaction is on aromatic ring or in structural determination of chloromycetrin. Here it takes place in two steps. Step 1. Chloromycetrin on hydrolysis give a base, and in step 2 the base, which when oxidized with periodic acid give 1 moles of ammonia, formaldehyde and para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Third reaction on ketone. Alpha hydroxyl ketone oxidizes to give corresponding aldehyde and carboxylic acid. Fourth reaction on carboxylic acid. Here alkyl carboxyl group always give carboxylic acid on periodic oxidation. Properties of periodic acid. Periodic acid exists in two forms that follows two types of periodate salts. For example, sodium metaperiodate can be synthesized from metaperiodic acid, while sodium orthoperiodate can be synthesized from orthoperiodic acid. Also, the pKa of metaperiodic acid has not determined, while the orthoperiodic acid has a corresponding number of acid dissociation constant. Uses of periodic acid. It can be used for the oxidative cleavage of bond with adjacent oxidizable group. For example, 1,2 diol alpha hydroxyl carbonyl compound, 1,2 diketone alpha amino acid. And this reaction has been used as a test for 1,2 diols and in the determination of the structure of carbohydrate. Finally, to summarize the presentation, periodic acid is a reagent for oxidation reaction and it is the highest oxoacid of iodine with +7 oxidation state, and it can be synthesized by treating an aqueous solution of perchloric acid with iodine. And the kinetic study shows that the oxidation proceeds via a cyclic periodate ester intermediate, and the reaction zone ketyl periodic acid oxidizes ketyls into corresponding carbonyl compound, and this reagent is used for synthetic work as well as in structural determination of organic compounds. So, from this presentation, we came to understand about periodic acid preparation, mechanism, reaction on alkene, ketone, aromatic green, ketyls, carboxylic acid, properties and uses of periodic acid. Thank you.